In this video, we'll discuss about potential energy of a system of two charges in an external field. In the previous video, I have explained when different charges are assembled or when they are taken away, how much energy is required or how much work is done. Okay, so here we'll discuss about the potential energy when the charges are assembled in external field. Already there is the field, then how much energy is required or how much work is to be done. So this, based on this topic, one question was asked in 2020 CBSE class 12 exam. So question was like this: 2-point charges Q1 and Q2 are kept at r distance apart in a uniform external electric field. So you see, this is the external field, okay, produced by some other sources. Find the amount of work done in assembling this system of charges. So this electric field is not due to these charges but due to some other charge or some other source. Okay, then what will be the total work done to assemble? Okay, now suppose this is the electric field. Okay, so suppose here you have to place the charge Q1 here and Q2 here. Okay, and then here suppose at this point there is the potential. Suppose there is the potential V1 at this point and V2 this point due to the electric field. Okay, due to the electric field. Then how much work is done to bring this charge Q1, okay, to assemble. So you have to assemble Q1 and Q2. So let us keep Q1 here and Q2 here, where corresponding potentials are V1 and V2. Okay, then how much work is done to bring Q1 from infinity to that point? So V1 into Q. Okay, whatever is the potential here into Q1. Then same way W2, how much work is done? Then V2 into Q2. And when we, so these are the potential, these are the amount of work done to bring the charges from infinity to respective points against the electric field. Okay, because electric field is already there, so potential will be there already. So these are the work done now. And in the previous video I told that when two charges are kept at the distance r, then that work done to keep them together at the distance r, so work done, that will be K Q1 Q2 by their distance r. Okay, to keep them, because they will also interact with each other, so to keep them at the distance r, this much work is to be done. So that's why here three types of work will be done. So that's why the total potential energy so W1 is equal to V1 Q1, W2 is equal to V2 Q2, and W3 is equal to K Q1 Q2 by R. So this is the work done to bring Q2 due to Q1, due to the force exerted by Q1. Okay, due to their the interaction between two, you can say. Okay, so this is the work done to keep them at the distance r. because of their own interaction, and these are due to the potential due to the external field. So then total potential energy is equal to W1 plus W2 on W3. So this is the amount of work done for bringing Q1 to the point where the potential is V1 against the electric field. So that is V1 Q1, and this is V2 Q2, and this is for the interaction between two charges. Suppose you bring Q1 first, then Q1 will have some potential here. So due to that, as we have discussed in the previous video for potential energy, then we can put these values. So V1 Q1 plus V2 Q2 plus K Q1 Q2 by R. So this is the expression for total potential energy. Okay, so if there is no electric field, if these charges are just brought at the distance r, then only this much amount of work will be done. Okay, is it clear? And these are due to the presence of external electric field. So this way you can get the expression for assembling these two charges in the external field. So be careful when there is external field. So this you have to consider. So that way additional these two parts are coming. Only bringing only two charges, this one. Okay. So this way you can understand. Okay, thank you for watching my video.